Hey there, traders and investors. Welcome back to Cash Current, where we dive deep into the world of trading and investing. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you never miss an update. Today, we're going to explore one of the most popular and fascinating methods of analyzing stocks, technical analysis. Now, let's break down some essential components of technical analysis. In this video, we discuss further two parts of technical analysis. So let's start. Support and resistance levels. Support and resistance levels are also crucial in technical analysis. Support is a price level where a stock tends to find buying interest, preventing it from falling further. Resistance is where selling pressure tends to emerge, preventing the stock from rising higher. Identifying these levels can help traders make informed decisions about where to enter or exit a trade. Volume analysis. Finally, let's talk about volume analysis. Volume represents the number of shares traded during a given period. Analyzing volume helps confirm the strength of a price movement. For example, a price rise accompanied by high volume suggests strong buying interest and a potential continuation of the trend. By combining volume analysis with other technical tools, traders can get a clearer picture of market sentiment. And there you have it, a basic introduction to technical analysis in the stock market. Remember, mastering these tools and techniques takes time and practice, so keep learning and stay patient. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow traders. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content on trading and investing. Until next time, happy trading.